The latest model of D3D IP camera has inbuilt security alarm function which support all types of security sensors. All the sensors installed at different part of home. The camera send alert on user mobile phone whenever any of the sensor gets activated. Open the mobile application you see. Click on camera's setting icon. Click on Add Sensor. Click on plus sign of common sensors to add door sensors or motion sensors. Then click on Confirm. For the configuration of door sensor with camera, first separate both magnetic part of it, and red light will blink. Sensor has been successfully configured with camera. In the same way you can add motion sensor also. For adding remote, click on plus sign of remotely monitored sensor. Click on Confirm. Press a button of remote. Now the remote has been successfully added with camera. Click on Alarm Setting option. Enable the motion detection option. Select the beep duration of the camera. Enable Receive Alarm Prompt option. Click on Defense button. Now whenever any alarm will trigger, camera will make a sound, and send alerts on the user mobile application. Thanks for watching the video. For any help feel free to contact us.